recently purchased.
Sure, I'm ready to help. What happened to the product?
I recently purchased a laptop from your company, but after a few days of use, I experienced a problem with the keyboard being unresponsive.
Oh, I apologize for the inconvenience. Have you tried restarting or resetting the laptop?
Yes, but the problem remains. I'm afraid this could be a more serious problem.
I understand your concern. For problems like this, we can arrange to have your laptop checked by a tutor or technician. Do you have agreed to send the laptop to our service center?
Sure, I agree. However, I hope this can be resolved quickly because I need this laptop for daily work.
We will do our best to speed up the process. Additionally, as compensation for the inconvenience you experience, we can also provide you with a discount voucher for your next purchase.
Thank you. For the offer, can you give me an estimate time when I can get my back laptop?
Uh, this process usually takes 3, 4, 5 business days, depending on the complexity for the repairs required. I will not your scientific number and notify you as soon as there any future developments.
Well, I appreciate your help on this matter. Thank you for your attention.
We will contact you as soon as possible. If there are any